Hey guys, welcome back. Today we will be looking at a cinewhoop frame. This is the Cloud 149 V2. It's a Protek like the iFlight Protek like kind of frame. You can see the similarities. It's a 3-inch cinewhoop. I'm going to be building this later today. It comes with 3 pieces: the bottom plate, top plate, and plastic. Yes, this is definitely plastic prop guards. Let's see what we have in the box. We have a manual that shows how to fit this together. Cloud 149 V2. I think it's an analog frame. So we have the frame itself. We've got, so this looks like a USB breakout extender. So in case you can get your flight controller USB port, you can add this. We have some screws, GoPro mount screw, and some landing pads, I think. We've got a Cloud 149 battery strap, foam guards around the ducts. It's good they have extras because you're definitely going to wreck these first. And lastly, we have a GoPro mount for the case. So let's look at the frame itself. So it comes in three pieces. You have the top plate. It flexes, but it's okay. It's sturdy. It flexes, and it looks well made. There are no rough edges. It's smooth. I can run my fingers around it without getting them sliced off. It looks like you can fit a 20 by 20 or a 25 by 25 flight controller in there, and it has these grooves or cutouts for maybe a Cadex Vista. I'm sure you can fit the Cadex Vista in there if you're using all-in-one flight controller. This looks like a antenna, receiver, and maybe crossfire mount, which is neat. Let me actually take this apart and let's see what the bottom plate is. So yeah, it just pops off. Did I miss a screw? I missed the screw. Pretty sturdy, look really well made. There's some flex to it, which is good for impacts. But yeah, this is it. So let's look at the bottom plate. Okay, I can't remember which way is forward, but I guess it's fine either ways. Okay, this should be the back because I can see 20 by 20 mounting holes there. I wonder if you can fit like a 30 by 30 flight controller in here. Let's see. In these grooves. Yeah, you could. I think you could fit a 30 by 30 in here. But it's best to just use a 25 by 25. I think you can put like a 20 by 20 stack in here, and if you've got like maybe the Rush Tank VTX, which is pretty tiny, you can actually fit it at the back. So you can have your stack here and you can have your Rush Tank here. It uses 3-inch props, so it's a perfect fit. There's very little clearance, but I think that's good enough for this. Alright, so I'll be back. I want to build this and let's see how it looks like. So I've got things in place. This is a 20 by 20 flight controller. It fits right in, and the 20 by 20 VTX fits right at the back as well. Looks pretty good and easy to build. So I'm gonna finish this up and let's see how it turns out. So it's been a pretty busy week, but I managed to get the build done. Yeah, this is what it looks like inside. So I've got my VTX right on top of the stack. So I couldn't use behind like I thought I could, because that's actually for the USB breakout board. That's what the screw holes at the back of the drone is for. But yeah, it's pretty good. It's sturdy. I've got the rubber around it, and the rush tank just fits perfectly in there. And I'm gonna put the top cover on, and let's give it a whirl. So I've got it put together. I'm just gonna plug in the battery, and let's see. Please don't burn. The LED breakout board at the back, I'm sorry, the USB breakout board at the back also has customizable LEDs. I think there are 8 of them. Yeah. So yeah, this is the final build. It's really it's got a compact footprint. Like this is my 2.5-inch drone. You know, there's not much difference between the size of both of them. But it's pretty good. I've got my receiver my transmitter connected, so yeah, let's spin this up. Yep. Yeah, there's a buzzer in there as well. Alright, we're good. So if you've got any questions with this build, just let me know and I'll see how I can help you out. I really like the fact that I had matching propellers, black propellers to match the frame, so it looks pretty neat. This is still my favorite. I've got the wrong cam thumb on it, but yeah, let's see this take off.